We're not outsourcing our innovation, we're allowing our employees to be innovative and more effective and productive in how they work. Today, we have the Parabola team on site. They're working with the supply chain team, site e-commerce, retail, a number of other teams really diving into real workflows and figuring out how we can make them less manual.
I'm Ethan, I'm an automation engineer at Parabola, and today we are here at the Fabletics office helping folks build some workflows. We love doing these kinds of in-person sessions. The energy is great, everyone's really excited, they're able to dedicate time in their day to automating the most manual parts of their job, and everyone has fun doing it.
Having the Parabola team on site kind of goes back to my general philosophy of how I approach AI adoption. I think the human piece is really important in meeting humans where they're at.
So going into the day, I really didn't have expectations because I didn't know what to expect. I had a great experience.
Having the Parabola team on site, I think, is way more helpful just because being able to really physically be able to show and just tangible problems, way easier. Having someone right next to you just immediately be like, hey, look at this, scroll here, I think just provides a lot more value.
If they see things that we weren't necessarily here for that could be automated and could be improved, they're quick to call it out and kind of help us through that. So we're getting more out of it than we even expected.
When you invest in employees with the right tools and the right partners, you increase both their performance as well as their engagement. People are ultimately really excited about the tools they're using, and the energy around the office kind of compounds with that.